How to fix SpareBank 1 app won't let me log in. So this issue might arise due to the connectivity issue. In that case, you have to make sure that you are connected to stable Wi-Fi. Once the network is stable enough, the next thing you want to do is head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for SpareBank 1. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is click on update and update your app to the latest version. Once you have the latest version of the app, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into apps. Head over to all apps. In this page, you have to search for the application SpareBank 1. Once you find it, head over to it. Move into storage and cache. You have to clear the cache and the storage of the application. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. If you are still facing the issue, then what you want to do is you can simply uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the app will definitely fix the issue. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix SpareBank 1 app won't let me log in. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.